The transportation industry is at the edge of a paradigm shift. With the growing demand for cleaner, smarter mobility, autonomous electric vehicles are poised to revolutionize urban transportation. By 2025, cities will begin to see the widespread adoption of electric vehicles combined with self-driving technologies. In this video, we will delve into how autonomous electric vehicles are set to change the way we move around cities, and what this means for urban planning, sustainability, and the future of mobility. The transportation industry is at the edge of a paradigm shift. With the growing demand for cleaner, smarter mobility, autonomous electric vehicles, AEVs, are poised to revolutionize urban transportation. By 2025, cities will begin to see the widespread adoption of electric vehicles, EVs, combined with self-driving technologies. In this video, we will delve into how autonomous electric vehicles are set to change the way we move around cities, and what this means for urban planning, sustainability, and the future of mobility. AEVs are a perfect example of how innovation and sustainability can work together to create a future that's both efficient and environmentally friendly. Autonomous electric vehicles are the perfect fusion of electric propulsion and self-driving capabilities. Electric powertrain. These vehicles are powered entirely by electric motors, which significantly reduce environmental impact. Electric powertrains not only improve energy efficiency, but also offer a smooth, quiet ride. Autonomous driving. AEVs rely on sensors, radar, LiDAR, and AI to make driving decisions without human intervention. From steering to braking to acceleration, these vehicles operate entirely on AI algorithms. Integration with urban systems. Autonomous vehicles communicate with other vehicles and infrastructure to optimize traffic flow, making them highly effective in smart cities. AEVs are a perfect example of how innovation and sustainability can work together to create a future that's both efficient and environmentally friendly. AEVs are equipped with cameras, radar sensors, and LiDAR that scan their surroundings in real time, detecting obstacles, pedestrians, and other vehicles. The vehicle's AI processes sensor data and makes real-time driving decisions, planning the safest path through traffic. Autonomous cars use high-definition maps and GPS to localize precisely within city streets, ensuring accurate navigation. V2V and V2I systems let vehicles and infrastructure exchange data, syncing lights and sharing hazards to enable smoother, safer travel. Autonomous electric vehicles rely on cutting-edge technology to drive safely in diverse real-world conditions without human intervention. One of the biggest benefits of AEVs is their positive environmental impact: zero emissions. Unlike gasoline-powered cars, AEVs produce no tailpipe emissions. This helps reduce air pollution in cities and makes them more sustainable in the long run. Reduced carbon footprint. Even when considering electricity generation, EVs still have a smaller carbon footprint compared to traditional vehicles. As more renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are incorporated into the grid, the environmental impact of AEVs will further decrease. Sustainable manufacturing. Many automakers are turning to sustainable materials in vehicle production, using recycled components and employing eco-friendly manufacturing processes to reduce their environmental impact. AEVs not only reduce harmful emissions, but also contribute to a cleaner, greener future for our cities and planet. Autonomous electric vehicles are revolutionizing how we move through cities. AEVs communicate with other vehicles and road infrastructure to optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion, and improving overall traffic efficiency. In the future, AEVs are expected to be part of shared mobility services like ride-hailing or car sharing. This will reduce the need for personal car ownership and lead to fewer vehicles on the road. Autonomous vehicles will be able to drop passengers off at their destinations and then park themselves in designated autonomous parking zones, freeing up parking spaces and reducing the amount of land needed for parking in cities. Autonomous vehicles can complement existing public transportation systems by offering first-mile and last-mile solutions, helping connect people to train stations or bus terminals more conveniently. AEVs will help create smarter cities where traffic is minimized and transportation is more efficient and sustainable. As electric vehicles become more widespread, the charging infrastructure must evolve to meet demand. Fast charging. Rapid charging stations are crucial for ensuring AEVs are ready for use at a moment's notice. Technologies like DC fast chargers allow for quick recharges, making long-distance travel more convenient. Wireless charging. Inductive charging is an emerging technology that could eliminate the need for physical charging plugs. AEVs could charge simply by driving over special charging pads embedded in roads or parking spaces. Home charging. For AEV owners, having the option to charge at home is essential. Most EV owners can install a home charging station to easily charge their cars overnight. Global charging network expansion. As the adoption of AEVs grows, the need for a global network of accessible charging stations will be critical to ensuring that AEVs are a practical choice for urban dwellers worldwide. The availability of charging stations will be key to the widespread adoption of autonomous electric vehicles, ensuring drivers can easily and quickly recharge their cars. AEVs allow passengers to relax or work while traveling, as they do not need to focus on driving. This adds a level of convenience, especially for long commutes or daily trips. With no driver involved, the interior of AEVs can be redesigned to offer more comfort and luxury. Features like reclining seats, personalized entertainment systems, and adjustable lighting will enhance the overall experience. Because AEVs use electric motors instead of combustion engines, they provide a quieter, smoother ride, enhancing the comfort of the passengers. Many AEVs will offer personalized driving experiences, allowing passengers to adjust settings such as climate control, entertainment, and lighting to their preferences. AEVs promise to elevate the passenger experience, making commuting more enjoyable and convenient. While the future of autonomous electric vehicles is promising, there are several hurdles to address. Regulation and legislation. Governments must establish clear rules and regulations for autonomous vehicles to ensure their safe integration into public roads. This includes determining who is liable in the case of accidents involving self-driving cars. Public trust. Many consumers are still hesitant to trust self-driving technology. Addressing concerns about the safety and reliability of autonomous vehicles will be key to widespread adoption. Infrastructure compatibility. To fully benefit from autonomous driving, cities will need to develop infrastructure that can support AEVs, including smart traffic systems and autonomous vehicle lanes. Cybersecurity. Autonomous vehicles rely on complex software systems that could be vulnerable to cyber attacks. Ensuring these systems are secure is crucial to the widespread adoption of AEVs. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AEVs in terms of sustainability and efficiency make them a critical part of future urban mobility. In conclusion, autonomous electric vehicles represent the future of urban transport. They will help cities become more sustainable, efficient, and connected, leading to cleaner air, reduced traffic congestion, and improved quality of life. With advances in AI, electric technology, and charging infrastructure, AEVs will play a major role in transforming how we live and move. As we look to 2025, it's clear that autonomous electric vehicles will redefine transportation for generations to come. The future is electric and autonomous, and it's coming faster than we think.